Gentlemen over 60, did you know that a few simple daily habits can completely transform your health, confidence, and hygiene? Starting with your most important organ? Stick around, because today I'm revealing 5 essential penis care rules every elderly man must follow to stay clean, healthy, and confident after 60. From simple hygiene tips to lifestyle habits that boost vitality, these are game changers you don't want to miss. Make sure you watch until the end to learn them all. And hey, don't forget like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips and health secrets every week. Lesson 1. Daily gentle cleaning, the key to health and confidence. Gentlemen, let's start with one of the most important habits you can do every day after 60, keeping your penis clean and healthy. It might sound simple, but trust me, daily care is a game changer for comfort, confidence, and overall health. As we age, the skin becomes more delicate, and our immune system slows down. That means what used to be a small issue can quickly become uncomfortable or even painful. But with just a few minutes each day, you can avoid infections, unpleasant odor, and irritation and feel fresh all day long. Here's how to do it right. Start with warm water. Cold water can be uncomfortable, and hot water can dry out the skin. Use your hands instead of a washcloth at first. Your skin is sensitive, and rubbing too hard can cause tiny cuts. Next, choose a mild, unscented soap. Fragranced soaps or harsh detergents may smell nice, but they can strip natural oils and cause dryness or itching. Gently lather, making sure to clean the head, shaft, and folds, then rinse thoroughly. After washing, dry gently but completely. Moisture left in the folds can become a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi, causing redness, itching, or infections. A soft towel or even air drying works perfectly. Some men like to wear breathable cotton underwear. It helps keep things fresh and dry throughout the day. Here's the best part. This simple habit not only keeps you healthy, but it also boosts your confidence. You'll feel cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable in your own skin. And when you feel good about yourself, it shows in everything you do: your posture, your mood, even your energy. Remember, gentlemen, it's not just about hygiene, it's about taking control of your health. Make daily cleaning a natural part of your morning or evening routine. It takes just a few minutes, but the benefits last all day. You deserve to feel confident, comfortable, and proud of your body, no matter your age. So, start today. A little care goes a long way, and it's the first step to staying healthy, clean, and confident after 60. Lesson 2. Keep it dry and fresh, your secret to comfort and confidence. Gentlemen, after learning the importance of gentle daily cleaning, let's talk about another key habit that many men overlook: keeping your penis dry and fresh. It may sound simple, but staying dry is one of the most powerful ways to prevent irritation, infections, and discomfort after 60. As we age, our skin becomes more delicate, and moisture in the wrong places can lead to redness, itching, or even fungal infections. The good news: with a few smart habits, you can stay fresh, comfortable, and confident every single day. Here's the first step: pat dry after washing. Don't rub aggressively, just gently pat the area with a soft towel. This helps remove excess moisture without irritating the skin. Some men even like to leave it for a minute or two to air dry naturally. The key is to make sure that no dampness remains in the folds, because bacteria and fungi love warm, moist environments. Next, let's talk about underwear. Breathable fabrics like cotton are your best friend. They allow airflow, reduce sweating, and keep things dry throughout the day. Avoid tight or synthetic underwear that traps moisture. It may feel comfortable for a while, but it can lead to discomfort or even infections over time. Simple changes like these make a huge difference in daily comfort. Here's a tip many men find surprising: small lifestyle habits help too. Changing underwear daily, especially after exercise or sweating, can prevent irritation. Using a gentle body powder or moisture-absorbing product can also help keep things fresh. And remember, staying hydrated and maintaining good overall hygiene supports healthy skin naturally. The real magic of this habit is not just physical, it's mental and emotional. When you feel dry, fresh, and comfortable, your confidence soars. You'll notice it in the way you walk, talk, and carry yourself. Friends, family, or a partner may not notice the details, but you will feel the difference every day. So, Gentlemen, make dryness a priority. It's simple, it's easy, and it keeps you healthy and confident. By paying attention to these small but powerful habits, you're taking control of your body and your well-being. Stay fresh, stay comfortable, and enjoy life with confidence every single day. Lesson 3. Monitor changes. Take charge of your health. Gentlemen, by now you've learned the importance of daily cleaning and staying dry, fresh, and comfortable. But there's another habit that's just as important: regularly monitoring your penis for changes. This is not about worry or fear, it's about taking control, staying healthy, and catching potential problems early. After 60, your body changes, and small signs can tell you a lot about your overall health. Paying attention can make a huge difference. So, what should you look for? Start with visual checks once a month. Look for unusual lumps, bumps, redness, or discoloration. Notice any pain, irritation, or unusual discharge. These may be minor issues, but sometimes they are the first signs of infections or other health conditions. The key is to know your own body and notice what's normal for you. Here's a tip that makes it easy: incorporate this check into your daily or weekly routine. For example, after your morning shower or before bed, take a minute to inspect yourself. Make it a calm, positive moment of self-care. Think of it as a way to protect your health and confidence, not as a chore. Another important point is tracking changes over time. If you notice something different, don't panic. Write it down or remember the date, and consult a healthcare professional if it persists. Early detection is the secret to successful treatment. And it often makes recovery faster and simpler. Monitoring also boosts confidence. When you know you're taking proactive steps, you feel empowered. You're not leaving your health to chance, you're taking control, making informed decisions, and protecting your well-being. This positive mindset improves not only your physical health but also your peace of mind. Remember, gentlemen, awareness is strength. By taking a few minutes each month to monitor changes, you're staying one step ahead of problems, preventing complications, and maintaining your health after 60. This simple habit helps you stay confident, clean, and comfortable in your own skin, so make it a priority. Take charge of your body. Embrace self-care, and feel proud knowing you're investing in your long-term health and confidence. A little attention today goes a long way toward a healthier, happier tomorrow. Lesson 4. Stay active and healthy. Boost your vitality after 60. Gentlemen, we've already covered daily cleaning, staying dry, and monitoring changes. Now it's time for a powerful habit that affects not just your penis health, but your whole body and mind: staying active and healthy. After 60, circulation, energy, and stamina naturally decrease, but the good news is that a few simple lifestyle habits can dramatically improve your vitality and confidence. Why does activity matter? Proper blood flow is key to sexual health, energy levels, and overall wellness. Gentle exercise strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and keeps tissues healthy, all of which help maintain comfort and performance in your most intimate areas. Even short walks, light stretching, or simple exercises at home can make a big difference. Here's an easy tip: aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of movement daily. This doesn't mean hitting the gym or running marathons, just walking, cycling, or gentle yoga can work wonders. Pair it with a few simple stretches to improve flexibility and reduce stiffness, keeping you comfortable and agile in daily life. Hydration is another part of staying active and healthy. Drinking enough water supports circulation, keeps your skin supple, and prevents dryness in sensitive areas. Combine hydration with a nutrient-rich diet full of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and you're giving your body exactly what it needs to stay strong and energized. Here's the exciting part: staying active not only improves physical health, but it also boosts mood and confidence. When you move your body, your brain releases feel-good chemicals that reduce stress, improve focus, and make you feel more alive. You'll notice it in the way you carry yourself, interact with others, and even in your intimate life. Feeling good physically translates into feeling confident mentally. Gentlemen, think of staying active as a daily investment in yourself. It's a habit that protects your health, strengthens your body, and enhances your overall quality of life. Even small, consistent efforts can bring big results, so take the first step today. A short walk, a few stretches, or a little light exercise can set the tone for your entire day. Combine this with healthy eating and hydration, and you're well on your way to feeling strong, energized, and confident after 60. Your body and your confidence will thank you. Lesson 5. Healthy lifestyle choices, the key to long-lasting confidence. Gentlemen, we've covered cleaning, staying dry, monitoring changes, and staying active. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful ways to protect your health and confidence after 60, making smart, healthy lifestyle choices. This lesson is all about the small, everyday decisions that have a huge impact on your body, energy, and sexual health. First, let's talk about diet. What you eat directly affects your blood flow, hormone levels, and overall vitality. Focus on nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods support your heart, maintain healthy circulation, and even help keep your skin and sensitive areas in good condition. Avoid too much processed food, sugar, or fried items, because they can slow you down and create unnecessary health problems. Next, consider your alcohol intake and smoking habits. Excessive alcohol can lower energy, affect blood flow, and even impact sexual performance. Smoking reduces circulation and damages tissues, making it harder to stay healthy and confident. Cutting back or quitting entirely can make a dramatic difference in how you feel every single day. Another important part of lifestyle is stress management and sleep. High stress can affect hormone balance and overall well-being, while poor sleep reduces energy and resilience. Gentlemen, prioritizing rest and relaxation is not a luxury, it's a crucial part of staying strong, healthy, and confident after 60. The best thing about these choices is that they are empowering. Every healthy meal, every glass of water, every night of good sleep, and every smoke-free day is a step toward feeling more confident, more comfortable, and more in control of your body. Small daily habits create a ripple effect, improving your energy, mood, and even sexual health. Gentlemen, remember this: your body reflects your choices. By committing to a healthy lifestyle, you're investing in long-term health, vitality, and confidence. Every positive choice you make today strengthens your body and mind for tomorrow. So, start with one small change, maybe a healthy meal, a short walk, or cutting back on alcohol. Then build on it. Over time, these habits will make you feel healthier, cleaner, and more confident than ever. Take control of your life, embrace these changes, and enjoy the benefits of a stronger, healthier, and more confident you after 60. Conclusion. Gentlemen, these 5 lessons, daily cleaning, staying dry, monitoring changes, staying active, and making healthy lifestyle choices, are simple habits that can completely transform your health, comfort, and confidence after 60. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about taking small, consistent steps every day to feel your best. If you found even one tip helpful, I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions in the comments below. Your feedback could help other men just like you. Don't hold back, let us know what works for you or what challenges you face. And of course, like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips and secrets every week.